Let's move on to Boeing. Boeing, they make the big jets and small jets and a lot of jets in between. And that stock has held up rather well until recently. I hadn't noticed the trashing that Boeing has taken of late. Joe, look at that.
It's like a cyclical.
What happened here?
I guess it's cyclical, Dave.
Yeah,
right.
That is the word from Prudential this morning. They come out with an estimate for 2003 of $3.50 a share for Boeing. And when you put that next to the $4.25 that they see Boeing earning in 2002, you get the idea. Cyclical. Exactly that. We're clearly in a down cycle, which will likely be more severe than what Boeing has been expecting up to this time, says Prudential. Additionally, while management's done a superior job taking costs out of the business, we don't think they'll be able to avoid margin contraction that typically accompanies production decreases associated with order down cycles, and hence they go to an estimate of $3.50 for 2003. They see margins flat, assuming a 10% decline in deliveries from the 510 to 520 level. That, though, was be 2001, 2002. Their estimates represent over a 22% decline from the 2002 estimate. I hope that made some sense there. The bottom line here is they see things getting a bit worse than perhaps Boeing has anticipated. And, well, we'll see. They also see the stock price actually moving potentially lower. $42 stock price target is what Prudential has, and we saw Boeing is above that right now. From those that, the company that makes the airplanes to one that runs an airline, AMR is upgraded over at UBS, despite the fact that Sam Buttrick, well-regarded analyst at UBS, doesn't have anything nice to say about the industry. But he says, yeah, but right now the price is right. Most airline stocks have already